is the Grabie. I guess it's for fall. Is it? It seems a little early for fall because it's July. Because it seems like I just got the last one. It's supposed to be 4 times a year, but it seems like the last one came a couple weeks ago. I don't know. But anyway, this is the Grabie art. I don't know what it is. Art club or something. And this is the watercolor one. Oh, forest themed. Alright, so we'll open these both together and see what's going on. Because like I said, I'm not sure I'm going to keep doing this. It looks like it's the same thing. Although the watercolor is really nice. And it comes with a coloring book of some kind. I'm trying to move gently because Murphy's having a fit. I just got back. I was gone for a couple of hours and he's experiencing separation anxiety. So anyway, okay, did they give you that much last time? Yeah, I guess they did. They gave you all these extra cards. It looks like somebody's already used them. All right, let's do a little swatch. I like they put a little sponge in there too. And they come with a brush, so that's cool. Pickle. Actually, it's a nice green. Ooh, this one's nice too. It's almost like this color is this color with a little bit of this color added into it, because it's a little bit like gray almost. This is sky, navy. This is ocean. Ooh, that's a pretty one. All right, this one is copper. This is dark brown. And this is brick. Well, they're not bad. They're a nice combination together. It's just not my favorite palette. But they're pretty nice colors, actually. So that's that. I guess we can look at this pick out one. Oh, let's see. Do they show? No. Okay. So there's a little guy in the jungle. Treehouse. Treehouse is kind of cool. Oh, little bears. Oh. And that's like, I don't know. Oh, is it this way? Oh, okay, that's why. I'm looking at it like, what the hell is that? So it's like lily pads. And a wolf. Some trees. So there should be like a little chipmunk sitting there or something. Turtles. Mushrooms. The mushrooms might be kind of fun. Like a swamp of some kind. A little like lizardy type thing. Yeah, these are actually kind of nice pictures. It's not the stuff I normally do. Oh, I like the bats. I like the bats. Let's do that one. And like, I don't know, another like river type thing. A little foresty thing. And that's it. Yeah, we might have to do the bats because that's really cute. I don't have any black. I'd have to mix a black. I suppose I could. Or I can just use my own black. Let's pull this one out. Alright, I think I will just do this, not record it, and I'll just try my best to color it in, and then I'll show it at the end. So in the meantime, let's open the other one. Let's see what's in here. Now last time, the booklet that was included was like a planner, which I wasn't too thrilled about. So I'm kind of hoping it'll be something different. I don't know. See, it doesn't look like fall to me, and it's only July, so I don't understand what's going on. What does it say? Oh, I don't want to look. Art quarterly box. Huh. All right, so according to this, now I missed the first one. I got the second one. Geez, it must have been just a month ago. and it said the shipping date was June 3rd, which was approximately when I got it, right? This one wasn't supposed to come till September. I don't know. All right. All right, so that's this, and this. Okay. So, let's see. A workbook for unlocking and embracing your true power. So, yeah, it's the same thing. It's like a daily thing, which I don't want. But, well, I don't know. Some of the things I guess I could do. It's just not, I don't even know if I'm going to continue this now because I really don't like these. I don't use them, so, but, ooh, dual tone glitter markers. Those look fun. And these are acrylic markers, extra fine tips of black and white. 6 fine point, okay. Note-taking pen. These look pretty cool. Like a real fine point. Really? Oh, that's really tiny. And then that's like a highlighter. That's kind of neat. I don't think I'm going to get this anymore because these are things I'm just not going to use. I like these. I just don't. I just end up giving most of the stuff. I'll use these and I'll use these. I'll probably use them. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get these anymore. I may have to cancel this. And I really like their watercolors, but I really don't need them. I have so many watercolors. These are so pretty, though. Forest? Aren't these the ones I just did? What? I just did these. Why did I get these? Why'd they double up? Oh my god. Alright, I'm canceling this. This is ridiculous. I just got these with the watercolor club and they sent them with the regular club. So now I have 2. The exact same thing. Oh, for Pete's sake. Well, yeah, sealed your fate, Grabie. It's all over. Let's look at these. These are florals. I wonder if these are like the ones they sent last time. I can't remember what they sent last time. Well, let's swatch them. This has been a disappointing month. So now the last one I did, they were birds. So I was wondering, but they were flowers too. They weren't all birds, so maybe this is just like the same watercolor set that came in last month's watercolor club. Yeah, sadly, I think I'm gonna cancel this and I don't know, figure out something else to do. I like these colors. This is more my palette. I love these nice bright colors. Oh, Murphy. Moss. The other one had moss. That's different color. Darker. What's going on? I really like these colors. Although I wish the yellow was a little bit brighter. All right. They really make some nice products. I just wish, I don't know, I wish these boxes were better. I don't know, it's just not my thing. All right, let's put that like that, and let's try these. I want to try those. All right, let's try these. These are note-taking pens. So there's a super thin line on one end, and then a highlighter that matches the color kinda on the other side. 6 of those. For some reason we need 2 green ones. Oh, it's the wrong end. And 2 blues. So, I mean, these are good for planners. People always like highlighters and stuff for planners. So those are those colors. They're a nice fine line pen. And we don't really need to try those, do we? They're just like a fine line. But these look fun. I love glitter. And they're double-sided. Oh, medium tip. Oh, they got a, oh, you can color in here, I think. Oh, they have some little, all right, let's color these. So you got some things you can color. Which one do we want? I think that one. All right, so you have to, there's shaky stuff in it. Oh, okay, so it's one of these. It seems, oh, that's so pretty. It's very sparkly. All right, let's color this in. I love these. So maybe, see, I wanted to get the Grabie, maybe I'll just stick to this, even though I don't like that book. Because I want to try the products, you know, different products that I haven't heard of, new stuff that they have, but I don't, I mean, if it's going to be the same kind of thing I don't do a lot of watercolor coloring books. And I don't need any more watercolor, so I mean, I think I can probably cancel that one. Maybe I'll hang on to this one, just because, like, this is fun. I don't like these tips, they squish. They're very soft. And this ink is gorgeous. I might crack them open and put them into like these kind of pens, so I have a brush pen. Those are so pretty. You know what, I have some little, I don't know how much ink is in that. I have some small ones I could probably use. They're about that big. Could do that. Because I find their tips, see, it's already flat on the bottom just from pressing, so. These tips are really big. I can't really, I'm like going all over the place with them. How is that a medium tip? That's huge. And see, the tips are, oh, if you can pull them out. Yeah, I guess you could do, but they feel so spongy, and as soon as you press to get the color out, they flatten like immediately. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to somehow crack these open. And oh, they might be easy to crack open. Sometimes you can twist. Now these aren't gonna be easy, of course not. Oh my God, these are just gorgeous. So it's like a yellower gold and like a whiter gold. All right, those are the swatches for the sparkly acrylic markers that I love. So definitely gonna be using those. So I love those. I just wanted to see how they worked. They're just too thick for me. But like I said, I'm just gonna put them in one of these, I think. Is that it? I think that's it. Okay, I gave up. I feel it. I don't have the patience to do this. I should never be in a coloring book club. I really like the picture, but I would rather do it with something else, like colored pencils or something. Just because, oh, I was using this brush, but they include similar, like a little water brush. Same thing, but there's just a lot of details, and I don't know. I don't have the patience to deal with it, I guess. So I colored this instead. This was from the markers or something. So, and I cracked open one of the markers, and this is a small one like this. I think that's about the same size. Yeah. So it's about this much ink, so it only needs a small one, because the other half is gonna fill up. If it was one marker, it would fill this whole thing. But I don't have any mixing balls, and it needs that. So I'm waiting for those to come in. Those should come in this week. So I'll have the really cool ink, but I can use this kind of brush tip instead, which is what I prefer. So that is this box for this month. Yeah, so I went to cancel the watercolor thing, and it was attached to the art box thing, so I canceled them both. And I just went, you know what? Yeah, I'll just cancel them both. And so while I was editing, I decided to resubscribe to the art box, because I really do like it, and I do like to try the different things that I normally wouldn't buy. So I resubscribed. But it is, I mean, it's good if that's the kind of thing you like, if you really like doing like little detailed paintings. And I really like the idea of it. It's just not for me. It just doesn't fit my way of living. I'm too impatient for it. But anyway, so that is that. And I was kind of annoyed that the art box contained this when this came with the watercolor box. So getting two of the same thing was kind of annoying. Pretty annoying. So this is a real downer of a video, but it's not. I do like, and I love those markers, these sparkly markers. So that's that. And I do really think they have quality watercolors. So that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.